Next problem. If vector A xi cap plus x minus 1 j cap plus k cap and vector B x plus 1 into I cap plus j cap plus a k cap make an acute angle for all x belongs to R, x is a real, then find the value of x, then find the value of A. Okay, one important point. Acute angle, first quadrant, second quadrant. Theta always lies between 0 and pi. 0 and pi. 0 and 180 degrees. Theta. First quadrant, cos theta is positive. Second quadrant, cos theta is negative. In the first quadrant, cos theta positive. What is cos theta formula? A dot B by modulus A bar into modulus vector B greater than 0. Magnitude always positive. This term positive. This term always positive. So A dot B must be positive. My entire term positive avarandi. A dot B by modulus A bar into modulus B. So entire value positive ఉండాలి, greater than 0 కదా. డినామినేటర్ క్లియర్గా పాజిటివ్ ఉంది. డినామినేటర్ క్లియర్గా పాజిటివ్ ఉంటే న్యూమరేటర్ కూడా పాజిటివ్ అవ్వాలి కదా. సో న్యూమరేటర్ మస్ట్ వి హ్యావ్ పాజిటివ్. సో ది మస్ట్ వి హ్యావ్ పాజిటివ్. ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్. సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ cos theta less than 0. Cos theta less than 0. What is the cos theta formula? A dot B by modulus A bar into modulus B bar less than 0. Modulus A positive, modulus B always positive. Denominator clearly positive. So entire function మనకి less than 0. Less than 0 means enter this value must be negative. Yes or no? Less than 0 అంటే మొత్తం వాల్యూ టోటల్ వాల్యూ నెగిటివ్ ఉండాలి. So denominator clearly positive. So numerator must we have negative. So A dot B must we have negative. Denominator positive ఉంది, numerator negative వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు less than 0 వస్తుంది మనకి. So it's important point. Just memorize it. First you need to calculate A dot B because A dot B greater than 0, A dot B less than 0 in this case. Make an acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees means which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant, A dot B must we have less than 0, greater than 0. Greater than 0. I hope you are understanding. Makes A and B make an angle, acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degrees. Which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant cos theta positive. Cos theta positive means cos theta greater than 0. So what is cos theta formula? A dot B by mod A mod B. Modulus A bar into modulus B bar. So in this case, A dot B must we have greater than 0. So first you need to calculate A dot B must we have greater than 0. What is A dot B? I coefficient into I coefficient. I coefficient x, I coefficient x plus 1. Now x square plus x over plus j coefficient into j coefficient. What is x minus 1? Right. Plus k coefficient into k coefficient 1 and a 1 equals greater than 0. Now x square plus 2x plus a minus 1 greater than 0. This is the function f of x. F of x is greater than 0. Next, for all x belongs to real. For all x belongs to real. Before we go for that, I want to discuss basics. But clear concept అనేది క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం మనం క్లియర్గా. మీకు చాలా కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది దాని మీద. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ అంతా క్లియర్గా మనం క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తామని మీరు ఫ్యూచర్లో ఆ వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేసినప్పుడు చూడొచ్చు మీరు. అయితే ప్రజెంట్ నేను కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలుసుకోండి. A suppose function f of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. a greater than 0 parabola upwards, a less than 0 parabola downwards. Case 1. Case 2, discriminant greater than 0. Discriminant greater than 0 means two real roots. Alpha on root, beta on root. Or discriminant greater than 0 means parabola upwards or parabola downwards. Alpha root, beta root. A greater than 0, parabola upwards. A less than 0, downwards. Next. Discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant equal to 0. In this case, roots are equal, alpha, alpha, or alpha, alpha. Roots are equal, alpha equal to beta, both are same, roots are real. Discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant greater than 0, discriminant equal to 0. Next, third one is discriminant less than 0, means negative, complex, roots are complex. So both all are positive or all are negative. All are positive, all are negative. దీని తనకి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ క్లియర్గా మనం క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్లో స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తామండి. అందులో చాలా కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అందులో ఇచ్చిపెట్టాను. ప్రెసెంట్ అయితే need to memorize this one. Ax square plus bx plus c is the quadratic expression. A greater than 0 parabola upwards, a less than 0 means a negative. Coefficient of x square negative, parabola downwards. Coefficient of x square positive, parabola upwards. Discriminant greater than 0 means roots are real, alpha, beta, upwards or downwards. It depends on a positive or negative. Positive this one, negative this one. Discriminant equal to 0, roots are equivalent, alpha, 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 alpha. So roots are same. Discriminant less than 0 means complex. Roots are complex. Complex means imaginary, completely positive or completely negative. Now, discriminant greater than 0 or less than 0, whatever, less than 0. మన ప్రెసెంట్ లెస్ దెన్ 0 యూజ్ చేస్తున్న ప్రాబ్లం అది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ ఎప్పుడైనా గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 కావాలన్నప్పుడు అది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుందాం. లేదంటే మన క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ టాపిక్ చెప్పినప్పుడు క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. Discriminant less than 0, it is a is positive, or in this case a is negative. A negative, parabola downwards. A positive, parabola upwards. In this case f of x, all are positive and all terms are positive. So f of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. Here all terms are negative terms. So f of x is less than 0 for all x belongs to R. It's most important అంటే just memorize it. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏంటంటే క్లియర్గా f of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R, discriminant less than 0 అని చెప్పేస్తామండి. అది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. మనకి క్లియర్ డిస్క్రిమినెంట్ లెస్ దెన్ ఎందుకు 0 ఇచ్చేస్తాం అనేది మీకు క్లియర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. రీజన్ ఇదండి. ఇంకా క్లియర్గా మనకి క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ నేర్చుకుంటాం. A greater than 0, it means parabola upwards, and f of x is greater than 0. Both are positive or both are negative. Now discriminant less than 0. ఇవి ఇచ్చారండి. డిస్క్రిమినెంట్ లెస్ దెన్ 0 ఇచ్చేయాలి మనం. డిస్క్రిమినెంట్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చేస్తాము, డిస్క్రిమినెంట్ ఈక్వల్ 0 ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చేస్తాం అనేది నేను ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ టచ్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. లేదంటే క్లియర్గా మన కాన్సెప్ట్ అంతా కూడా మనకి క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ టాపిక్ చెప్పుకుందాం. లీవ్ ఇట్. జస్ట్ మెమరైజ్ దిస్ వన్. Here f of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to real, or and a is a positive or negative. Coefficient of x square is positive. So both are greater than 0 or both are less than 0. Discriminant is less than 0. So what discriminant? B square minus 4ac. Discriminant formula b square minus 4ac. Now ax square, sorry, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 greater than 0. Ax square, a is 1, a equal to 1, b equals to 2, c equals to a minus 1, b square 4, 2 square 4, minus 4, a value is 1, c value is a minus 1, constant. C is purely constant term. This one is a discriminant in part 1. Discriminant is less than 0. Less than 0. 4 minus 4a minus of minus plus 4 less than 0. Now 4a less than 8. 4 1s are 4 2s are. 4a will take right hand side. Minus 4a will take right hand side. It becomes plus 4a. Now a is less than 2. A is less than 2. What is the question? Find the values of a. Values of a less than 2. A less than 2 means 2. A less than 2 means close interval 2 to minus infinity. Close interval 2 to minus infinity. That is the answer. So simply given a less than 2. A less than 2 or a greater than 2. Okay. సారీ ఇక్కడ మైనస్తో మనం మైనస్ వాల్యూని చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నామండి. మైనస్ వాల్యూ చేంజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, లెస్ దెన్ బికమ్స్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్. చెక్ చేయాలి క్లియర్గా. సో 8 minus 4a less than 0. Now minus 4a less than minus 8 multiplied by minus less than becomes greater than. Now 4a greater than 8. 4 1s are 4 2s are. A is greater than 2 or 2 to infinity. Both are open interval. 2 to infinity. A greater than 2. Which option? Second one is the right option. ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూతో మనం మల్టిపుల్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూతో మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, లెస్ దెన్ బికమ్స్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్. So important thing, addition subtraction never be changed అండి. ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ మన కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్తాను, ఫంక్షన్స్లో వస్తుందండి లేదా క్యారెక్టర్స్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను క్లియర్గా. నేను మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తాం అనుకున్న మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కాదండి. ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ మైనస్తో మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తే మనకి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. మల్టిప్లికేషన్ వరకు రిక్వైర్డ్ ఇయర్. నౌ 8 less than 4a. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Now a is more than 2. So which one is the right option? Second option. Clear concept అంటే మీకు discriminant concepts, parabola upwards, parabola downwards, a greater than a less than, ఇటువంటి ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ అని కూడా మనం క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాము. జస్ట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి సరిపోతుంది. Next problem, let vector A 2i minus j plus k, vector B I plus 2j minus k, and vector C I plus j minus 2k be three vectors. A vector in the plane of B and C whose projection on A is of magnitude square root of 2/3. Let R be the vector that is plane on B and C. That is plane on the B and C. B vector and C vector. A vector, what is a vector? R. R vector in the plane of B and C, whose projection on A? One vector projection on A. What's the formula? Suppose you have B vector projection on A dot B by modulus A vector. Projection A on B, A dot B by modulus B vector, vector B. Here, one vector, what is the vector? R. R be the vector that is plane on the vector B and vector C, and R vector projection on A is of magnitude root 2, square root of 2 by 3. Here R vector projection of R vector on A. What's the formula? R dot A by modulus A. Modulus A. Projection of R vector projection on A is of magnitude. It is a one point. Given magnitude square root of 2 by 3. ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, డైరెక్ట్గా ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఇస్తే మనకి ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ అని కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉండదండి. సపోజ్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ప్లస్ జస్ట్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 2 by 3 ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, సో స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 2 by 3 మనకి మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి ప్రొజెక్షన్ అనేది ప్లస్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 2 by 3 పాసిబుల్, మైనస్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 2 by 3 పాసిబుల్. సో ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 2 by 3 it is not a projection, it is the magnitude, projection of magnitude. So magnitude value is plus or minus square root of 2 by 3. So projection of R vector on A vector is magnitude is square root of 2 by 3. So projection is plus or minus square root of 2 by 3 equals R vector dot A vector by modulus A vector. First we need to calculate R vector. Already A vector available and plus or minus square root of 2 by 3 equals, what is the modulus A vector? This is the vector A. What is modulus? Modulus A vector equals square root of 2 square 4 minus 1 whole square 1 plus 1 whole square 1. What is the modulus? Square root of 6. Square root of 6. Numerator, we need to calculate R vector dot product with A vector. What is A vector? So 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. So we have to find what is the R vector R. Given one information, a vector in the plane of B and C, which vector? R be the vector. R be the vector that is plane on the B and C. Here R vector can be expressed linear combination of B and C. Now R vector equals B bar plus some scalar lambda into C vector. R vector equals vector B plus some scalar lambda into vector C, because all are in same plane only. That is R be the linear combination of B and C. From previous videos explain chesdamu, please chuskondi. B vector I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap plus lambda times of C vector C I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. What is coefficient of I? 1 plus lambda plus coefficient of j 2 plus lambda. Next minus coefficient of k minus 1 minus 2 lambda, 1 plus 2 lambda, 1 plus 2 lambda into k. This is the vector of R. Substitute here R. What's the formula? R dot A by modulus A. Modulus A already found is how many? Square root of 6. A vector already available. This projection of magnitude is square root of 2 by 3. It's very important point. Direct గా ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఇస్తే పాజిటివ్ 2/3 అండి, స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 2/3 నే పాజిటివ్ ఏ. మనకి క్లియర్ గా మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ అని మెన్షన్ చేశాడు. సో ప్లస్ 2/3 ప్లస్ square root of 2/3 possible, minus square root of 2/3 possible. So this value again, this is not enough. 1 plus lambda into I cap plus 2 plus lambda into J cap minus 1 plus 2 lambda into K cap dot with A. 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap plus or minus square root of 2 by root 3 equals, so I cap into I cap, I cap coefficient 1 plus lambda, this one is 2, so 2 plus 2 lambda. Next J cap coefficient 2 plus lambda, this one is a minus 1. Now minus 2 minus lambda. Next minus of, okay, K cap coefficient into K cap coefficient. Here 1 into minus of. So minus 1 minus 2 lambda. Minus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda cancelled out. So by root 6. Now minus 2 plus 2 cancelled out. Root 3, what is the root 3? Root 2 is the root 3 into root 2, root 6. Now plus or minus root 2 into root 2, 2 cross multiplication. Now minus lambda minus 1. Here the values of lambda 2 and 2 possibilities, and with the positive 2 with the negative 2. So minus 2 equals to minus lambda minus 1 or plus 2 equals to minus lambda minus 1. Now minus 1 equal to minus lambda, lambda equal to 1. Now lambda minus lambda equal to 3, lambda equal to minus 3. Okay. Question is the vector of R vector. What's the vector R? Vector R equals 1 plus lambda into I cap plus 2 plus lambda into J cap minus of 1 plus 2 lambda into K cap. It is the vector R. Two results. First lambda equals 1. Lambda equals 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 I cap. 1 plus 2 3. 3 J cap minus 1 3 K cap. It is one answer. Now lambda equals to minus 3. Second one is the minus 3. Lambda equals to minus 3. 3 plus 1 4 I cap minus 3. Sorry. Minus 3. So minus 2 I cap minus 3 minus J cap minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 plus 5 K cap. So 2i 3j minus 3k. First one is the right one. Minus 2i minus j plus third one is the right one. A and C. So A and C. It is a multiple correct answer question. So A and C option is the right one. Next problem. Okay. What is this problem? If vector A and vector B given, then vector form of component of A along B. We need to calculate projection vector projection vector of A along B, vector A along B vector. కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దండి. ప్రొజెక్షన్ వెక్టర్ మెన్షన్ చేశాడు మనకి. ప్రొజెక్షన్ వెక్టర్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. మన కాంపోనెంట్ మెన్షన్ చేశాడు, ఈ ఫామ్ యూజ్ చేయొద్దండి. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు వెక్టర్ ఏ బార్ ఆర్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు వెక్టర్ బి అని మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ జస్ట్ అలాంగ్ ద బి వెక్టర్, నాట్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు వెక్టర్ బి. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు వెక్టర్ బి మెన్షన్ చేస్తేనే దీస్ టూ ఫార్ములాస్ అండి. Just the vector form of component of A along B diagram. This is the A vector. This one is the B vector. Vector B. A vector form of component of A along B vector. Along B vector. This is a diagram. So we need to calculate this one. O A B M. Not BM length. We need to find OM length. What OM length? It is theta. So mod B cos theta. Modulus B cos theta. Adjacent. This one right angle triangle. Already formed multiplied by this one direction is A cap. The direction of OA is A cap. Okay, we given component of A along B. Component of A along B and so this is the vector A. This one is vector B. Direction vector of B cap. Unit vector of B, direction is B cap. 90 degrees. OA B. We need to find angle between the two vectors is theta. Length of OB, that is adjacency is A. Sorry, opposite. Theta opposite is this one. The opposite and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is A. Modulus A into cos theta. We need to find out this one. Vector form component of A along vector B. Along vector B. We need to calculate the projection vector A along vector B. A on B. So, what's the formula? OP. Vector OP. What is vector OP? Now, OP length into unit vector. OP is already formula cheppamante. I will repeat. Cos theta. Unit vector is B cap. So multiplied and divided by modulus B. Now modulus A into modulus B cos theta by modulus B into B cap. B cap means B vector by modulus B. So this is the formula. Numerator is A dot B by modulus B vector into B cap. This is the formula. Already మనం prove చేసాం. మనం ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను క్లియర్ గా. వెక్టర్ OP, projection of A along B, projection of A along B vector form is A dot B by modulus B into B cap. దీన్ని ఇంకా సింప్లిఫై చేసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి. In case A dot B by modulus B vector into what is the B cap unit vector of B? Vector B by modulus B. Vector B by modulus B. So modulus B into modulus B square. ఇప్పుడు మనం కావాలంటే ఇచ్చేస్తాను, ఇలా లేదు మీ ఇష్టం. ఓకే, A dot B dot product 4 3s are 12 plus 6, there is no J, sorry, I into I is 4, there is no I, 0 into 4. J cap coefficient 6, 3 6 3s are 18. K, there is no K, 0 into 4, 0, dot product power. Next modulus B, what modulus B? Square root of 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 4 square 16 into b cap vector b. What is vector b? 3j cap plus 4 cap vector b by modulus b. So unit vector formula b vector by modulus b. So what is modulus b already formed is square root of 3 square 9 4 square 16. Now 18 into 3j cap plus 4k cap by this one 5 into 5 25. 18 by 25 3j cap plus 4k cap. 18 by 25 3j cap. Yes, second one is the right option. Okay, this important point. Projection vector అయితే ఈ ఫార్ములా అండి. ప్రొజెక్షన్ వెక్టర్ అండ్ పెర్పెండిక్యులర్ అని మనం మెన్షన్ చేస్తేనే ఈ ఫార్ములా ఇచ్చేయాలండి. పెర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ఏ వెక్టర్ పెర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు బి వెక్టర్ మనం మెన్షన్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు మనం ఏబి లెంత్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయవలసి వస్తుంది. థీటా ఆపోజిట్ థీటా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, కానీ మనకి క్లియర్ మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు కదండి. సో ప్రొజెక్షన్ వెక్టర్ ఫార్ములా next problem, let vector A I cap plus j cap plus k cap, vector B I cap minus j cap plus k cap, vector C I cap minus j cap minus k cap B. Three vectors. A vector B in the plane of A vector and B vector whose projection on C vector is 1 by root 3 is given by. We need to find out vector V. V vector V in the plane of vector A and vector B. Three vectors are in the same plane. What is the linear combination? Vector V can be expressed as a linear combination of other two vectors. Vector A plus lambda into vector B. Now vector V equals vector A plus lambda into vector B. A vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus lambda times of vector B I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Bring outside I cap. I cap coefficient 1 plus lambda. 1 plus lambda into I cap. Here j cap is here 1 minus lambda into j cap plus 1 plus lambda into k cap. This is the vector V. Vector V in the plane of A vector and B vector whose projection on C. Now projection of V on C. Projection of A or projection of B on vector A. What is the formula? A dot B by modulus vector A. Projection of A vector on vector B. Now what is the formula? A dot B by modulus B vector. Here projection B on C. Here projection B vector, projection of B vector on C. Now B vector dot vector C by modulus V vector into modulus C vector. Sorry, projection B vector on C. V vector dot C vector by modulus vector C. The given projection is 1 by root 3. Directly given projection 1 by root 3. So we consider plus 1 by 3. In case if he given magnitude is 1 by root 3. Now plus 1 by root 3 possible, minus 1 by root 3 possible. Magnitude ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, పాజిటివ్ 1 by root 3 పాసిబుల్, నెగిటివ్ 1 by root 3 పాసిబుల్. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 1 by root 3 తీసుకోవాలి. బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ మీ గివెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఆన్ సి 1 by root 3 ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి ప్రొజెక్షన్ పాజిటివ్ ఇస్తే పాజిటివ్ తీసుకోవాలి, నెగిటివ్ ఇస్తే నెగిటివ్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో డైరెక్ట్లీ పాజిటివ్ ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఈక్వల్ 1 by root 3. అదే మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 1 by root 3 కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాం సేమ్ మోడల్, చూడండి ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో. Now v vector dot c vector v 1 plus lambda into I cap plus 1 minus lambda into j cap plus 1 plus lambda into k cap. C vector, given vector c, I cap minus j cap minus k cap by modulus c vector, square root of 1 square 1 minus 1 square 1. What is the magnitude? Square root of coefficient of I square j, coefficient of j square and coefficient of k square, and we are adding them. So 1 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 1 equals 1 by root 3. This one is root 3 magnitude. Root 3 cancelled out. Now dot product, I cap into I cap, 1 plus lambda plus j cap into j cap minus 1 into this one, minus 1 minus of minus plus lambda, minus 1 into this one, minus 1 minus lambda equals 1. So this two are cancelled out, this two are cancelled out. Now lambda equals 2. The lambda equals 2. Question is vector v. What is vector v? Here v vector equals, now v vector b 1 plus lambda, lambda equal to 3 I cap plus 1 minus lambda, 1 minus 2 minus j cap, 1 plus 2 3 cap, 3 k cap. So 3 I cap minus j cap plus 3 k cap. Which one is the right option? Third one is the right one. Next one, unit vector which is orthogonal to vector 5 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap and is coplanar with vector 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and I cap minus j cap plus k cap is, okay, unit vector which is orthogonal to vector 5 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap. Let vector be R, vector R, let vector be R. This vector orthogonal to 5i plus 2j plus 6k. It means angle between these two vectors, orthogonal means 90 degrees. The angle between the two vectors is 90 degrees. The dot product will be 0. Yes or no? Now A vector perpendicular to B vector. Now what dot product? 0. A dot B, modulus A into modulus B into cos theta. Here theta is 90, cos 90 is 0. So modulus A vector into modulus B vector into cos 90 0. So enter value is 0. Dot product is 0. Now unit vector which is orthogonal to this vector. So R vector dot 5 I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap equals 0. First we need to calculate vector R. This vector orthogonal to vector 5i plus 2j plus 6k and is coplanar to vector 2i j plus k I minus j plus k. This vector R vector coplanar to 2i. Suppose this is the A, let this vector be A vector, this vector be B vector. So R vector is coplanar with a vector A and vector B, coplanar. So here one vector is can be expressed a linear combination of other two vectors. Here vector r equals vector a plus some scalar lambda into vector b. It is a linear combination of other two vectors. So three are in same plane. Now r vector r equals a vector 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus lambda into vector b I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Now vector r equals coefficient of I 2 plus lambda into I cap. Here j cap coefficient 1 minus lambda into j cap. K cap coefficient 1 plus lambda into k cap. So vector r. Now r vector into this vector equal to 0. Dot product is 0 because of orthogonal. The angle between the two vectors is 90 degrees. So r vector 2 plus lambda into I cap plus 1 minus lambda into j cap plus 1 plus lambda into k cap dot 5 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap equal to 0. Now I cap into I cap, 5 into 2 10, 5 2 is 10, 5 into lambda plus j cap into j cap, 2 minus 2 into lambda minus 2 lambda, k cap into k cap plus 6 into plus 6 lambda equal to 0. Now 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 4 lambda 9 lambda equal to 0. Now lambda equal to minus 2. Lambda equal to minus 2. Now question is the vector. What is the vector? Unit vector. First, what is vector here? Vector r equal to vector r is vector r equal to 2 plus lambda. Lambda equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 0. 0 into I cap 0. Here minus 2 plus 1 minus j cap. This one minus 2 plus 1. So here lambda is minus 2. Minus of minus plus. So 3 j cap minus 2 minus k cap. This is the vector A. Vector r. But question is we need to find out unit vector. Unit vector, that is r cap. What is unit vector? Vector r by modulus r vector. Now vector r 3 j cap minus k cap by square root of 3 square plus 1. Now 3 square 9 plus 1 10. So 3 j cap minus k cap by square root of 10. Which one is the right option? Second one is the right option. Next problem. If unit vectors A and B are inclined at 2 theta angle and modulus A vector minus B vector is less than 1, if theta between 0 and pi, theta lies in the interval. Theta lies in the interval. Okay, listen to me. If unit vectors A and B, unit vectors these two are, it means modulus A vector is 1, modulus B vector is 1. Unit vectors these two. Or inclined at 2 theta angle. This one vector A, this one vector B. Angle between these two, 2 theta. So dot product A dot B. A vector A dot product with B vector. What dot product? Modulus A vector into modulus B vector into cos theta. Angle between A and B vectors 2 theta. Okay. What is A dot B? Modulus A into modulus B into cos theta. Here angle is 2 theta. So cos 2 theta. Now A dot B equal to A and B are unit vectors. So modulus A equal to 1, modulus B equal to 1. Now A dot B equal to cos 2 theta. If we given modulus A vector minus B vector is less than 1, is less than 1. Now A vector minus B vector into A vector minus B vector, the product of two vectors. Now vector A square plus vector B square, A into B, A dot B and B dot A both are equal. A dot B equal to B dot A. A dot B, A dot B equal to B dot A, both are same. Now A dot B minus A dot B minus B dot A, that is 2 times of A dot B. Now A bar minus B bar whole square equals modulus A is 1, modulus B is 1, 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 times of A dot B. Here A dot B cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta. Bring outside 2, 1 minus cos 2 theta square equals. Now 2 into 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta, 2 sin square theta. This one is 4 sin square theta. Now modulus A vector minus B vector equal to square root of 4 2 into square root of sin square, that is sin theta, 2 sin theta. Now modulus A vector minus B vector less than 1, this value is 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta less than 1. Now sin theta less than 1 by 2. What is the graph of sine? 0, pi, minus pi, pi by 2 minus pi by 2. This one is plus pi by 2. Your angle theta between 0 and pi. It is the graph of sine. Sin theta is less than 1 by 2. Sin how many degrees 1 by 2? Pi by 6. Sin 30 degrees pi by 6. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Next 5 pi by 6 1 by 2. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. Sin 150 degrees. Sin 150 degrees 1 by 2. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. Now here sin theta is less than 1 by 2. Less than 1 by 2 means 0 to pi by 6 union pi by 6 to pi. This one is less than 1 by 2. Now final one is here theta belongs to open interval 0 to pi by 6 union 5 pi by 6 to pi. This is the final answer. So second one is the right option. Next problem, if a modulus A4, modulus B4, modulus C5 such that vector A perpendicular to B plus C, yeah, B vector perpendicular to vector C plus A, C vector perpendicular to vector A plus vector B, then vector A plus modulus vector A plus vector B plus vector C. A vector plus B vector plus C vector modulus. So into A vector plus B vector plus C vector equal to modulus vector A plus vector B plus vector C square. Now A plus B plus C whole square, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Now modulus vector A square plus modulus vector B square plus modulus vector C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2ca. Now mod this vector a 4 square. This one is a vector plus b vector plus c vector. Modulus vector a plus b plus c whole square. This value 4 square 16. B modulus b 4 square 16. Modulus c 5 square 25 plus 2 times of vector a b plus b and c plus c and a. So first you need to find out a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Given a vector perpendicular to b plus c. For example, vector a perpendicular to vector b. Now dot product will be 0. A dot b equal to 0. Perpendicular. Here a vector perpendicular to b plus c, it means vector a dot b plus c vector dot product is 0. Dot product between these two vectors is 0. Now a dot b plus a dot c equal to 0. That is equation 1. Similarly, b vector dot product with vector c plus a equal to 0. Now b vector dot c vector plus b vector dot a vector equal to 0. That is equation 2. Now c vector dot product with a vector plus b vector is 0 because of perpendicular or orthogonal. C vector dot a vector plus c vector dot b vector equal to 0. That is equation 3. Adding 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, adding 3 equations, we get a dot b, b dot. A dot b equal to b dot a, both are equal. Now a dot b plus a dot b, 2 times of a dot b. A dot c plus a dot c, 2 times of a dot c. Next, b dot c, 2 times of b dot c equal to 0. Bring outside 2 times of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a equal to 0. So this result is 0. Now this one is 0. 2 into 0. 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 25, 57 plus 2 into 0. Now it is a plus b plus c modulus of a b c whole square equal this one. Now required question is modulus a vector plus b vector plus c vector. A vector plus b vector plus c vector equal to square root of 57. This is the answer. Fourth one is the right option. Next problem, if a vector and b vector are two unit vectors such that vector a plus 2b vector and vector 5a plus 4b are perpendicular to each other, the angle between a and b. Now vector a plus 2b vector perpendicular to 5a plus minus 4b vector. Perpendicular, it means dot product between these two 0. Now vector a plus 2b vector dot 5a vector minus 4b vector equal to 0. a into a, 5a modulus square. Now minus 4 into a dot b plus 2 into 5, 10 into a dot b minus 2 into 4, 8 times of b vector square equal to modulus b vector square equal to 0. Modulus a, yeah, a and b are unit vectors. It means modulus a equal to 1, modulus b vector equal to 1, unit vectors. So 5 minus, so plus 6 times of a vector dot b vector minus 8 equal to 0. 6 times of vector a dot b equals plus 3. We'll take right hand side 3, minus 3 will take right hand side plus 3. Now a dot b equals 3 by 6, that's 1 by 2. What is a dot b formula? Dot product formula, modulus A into modulus B into cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Modulus A is 1, modulus B is 1 because of unit vectors. Now cos theta equal to cos how many degrees is 60 degrees. Now theta equal to 60. So second one is the right option. This problem, this one is IIT 2010 advanced problem. Advanced question. Angle between vectors A and B, where A, B, C are unit vectors. A, B, C are unit vectors. Modulus A 1, modulus B 1, modulus C 1. Satisfying A vector plus vector B plus root 3 times of vector C equal to 0. The question is the angle between A vector and B vector. Now A vector plus B vector. Now root 3 times of vector C will take right hand side. This one is a minus root 3 vector C. Here this is a vector notation. We will take a modulus both sides. Vector A plus vector B equals minus root 3 times of vector C. Now square on both sides. Now vector A plus vector B whole square equals root 3 whole square is 3 modulus vector C whole square. Now A plus B whole square modulus A square plus modulus B square plus 2AB vector A vector dot product with B vector A dot B equals 3 times of modulus C square 3 times of. Here A, B, C are unit vectors. Modulus A1, modulus B1, modulus C is 1. Now 1 plus dot product formula. Modulus A, modulus B and cos theta. A theta angle between vector A and vector B. So 3 into modulus C vector. Modulus C is 1. Now 2. 2 times of this one is modulus A is 1, modulus B is 1. 2 into cos theta. 2 into cos theta equals 3 minus 2. 1. Now cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Cos how many degrees 1 by 2? Pi by 3, 60 degrees. So which one is the right option? Third one is the right option. Next problem, value of x for which angle between A vector and B vector is obtuse and angle between B vector and zx is B vector B and zx is acute. Is acute less than pi by 6. Okay. Listen to me. Question is the value of x for which angle between A and B is obtuse and angle between B and zx is acute angle and less than pi by 6. First dot product. A dot product with the B vector. A vector dot product with B vector. Modulus A vector modulus B vector into cos theta. Yeah, vector A, vector B equal dot product equals modulus A vector into modulus B vector into cos theta. Now angle between the two vectors cos theta equals A dot B by modulus vector A into modulus vector B. This one is acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degrees. This This one is obtuse angle more than 90 degrees. This one first quadrant, this one second quadrant. First quadrant, cos theta positive greater than 0. Second quadrant, cos theta negative, so less than 0. For acute angle cos theta greater than 0, what is theta? A dot B by modulus A vector into modulus B vector greater than 0. For obtuse, cos theta less than 0. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degrees. More than 90 degrees, second quadrant cos theta negative. Now A dot B by modulus A vector into modulus vector B less than 0. This is important one. First one is A vector and B vector are obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means cos theta less than 0. Cos theta less second quadrant. Obtuse angle second quadrant cos theta less than 0. What is cos theta? A dot B. Now A dot B by modulus A vector into modulus B vector less than 0. Dot product between A and B. A dot product with B vector. Now I cap into I cap, 7 2s are 14, 14x square. J cap into J cap, 4x into minus 2, minus 8x. K cap into K cap, coefficients, so 1 into x, x, plus x. Plus x by modulus A vector. Modulus A is square root of 2 square 4, 4 square 16, 1 square 1. This one is square root of 21. Next square root of modulus B vector. Modulus B vector is square root of 7 square 49, 2 square 4, x square. Okay, sorry, this one is I coefficient is 2x whole square. This one is 4x square. It is not a scalar. Scalar value రావట్లేదండి modulus A modulus B ఎందుకంటే coefficient of I is 2x square. Okay, right. Square root of modulus A, modulus A 2x whole square, that is a 4x square plus J coefficient 4x whole square 16x square. This one is 4x power 4. Now K coefficient 1 square is 1. Square root of modulus B vector, modulus vector B. Now 7 square 49 plus 2 square 4 plus x square greater than 0. Can we observe square root of 4x power 4 plus 16x square plus 1? It is a positive. It is always positive. Degree of x is 4. Degree of x is 4 and 2. It is always positive. This one also always be positive. So remove these two. Less than 0. An entire function less than 0 అంటే నెగిటివ్ ఉండాలి మనకి. And this term నెగిటివ్ ఉండాలి. This term నెగిటివ్ ఉండాలంటే మనకి this one positive, this one positive అండి. రెండు పాజిటివ్ కాబట్టి న్యూమరేటర్ must be negative. So just remove these two. Now 14x square minus 7x less than 0. ఇది నెగిటివ్ ఉంటే ఎంటర్ ఫంక్షన్ నెగిటివ్ కదండి, ఎందుకంటే 2 టైమ్స్ అనేవి పాజిటివ్, ఆల్వేస్ పాజిటివ్ కాబట్టి దిస్ టర్మ్ మస్ట్ బి నెగిటివ్. సో జస్ట్ రిమూవ్ దిస్ 2. Now 7x bring outside. 7x times of 2x minus 1 less than 0. Here x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 by 2. X equal 0 and x equal to 1 by 2. Number line. 0 minus infinity plus infinity 1 by 2. So extreme right always positive. Extreme right always positive. Next to negative. Next to positive. Here required less than 0. Less than 0 means between 0 and 1. Less than 0 and between 0 and 1 and positive ఉంది అనుకోండి. Greater than 0 means minus. Greater than 0 ఉంది అనుకోండి. In case greater than 0, here closed interval 1 by open interval 1 by 2 to infinity union minus infinity to 0. So less than 0 means negative values, and less than 0 negative. So here x belongs to open interval 0 and 1 by 2. Let us see equation 1. This is the case 1. Next, the second case, angle between b vector, angle between vector b and z axis. So what is the formula? This is the acute and acute angle. This one is this angle is acute angle. Acute angle means more than 90, greater than 90. That is the second quadrant. Second quadrant cos theta negative. So cos theta less than 0. First dot product between b and z axis. What is vector b? 7i cap minus 2j cap plus xk cap into z axis. Z axis is only k cap by square root of 7 square 49 modulus vector a and modulus z axis. Now 7 square 49 plus 4 square 2 square 4 plus x square into this one is k vector. Z axis is vector k, square root of 1 less than 0. Now dot product between these two. I cap, there is no I cap. I cap coefficient 0. 0 into 7 0. There is no j cap. So j cap coefficient 0. 0 into minus 2 0. K cap coefficient 1. Coefficient of k cap x. X into 1 x. X by square root of this value is 53 plus x square less than 0. Less than 0. One important point. Angle between vector b and z axis is acute. Okay, acute angle. And less than pi by 6 and less than 0 మనకి acute angle ఇక్కడ మనం less than 0 అని మనకి ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది జనరల్ గా. కానీ మనం ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే this one is acute and less than pi by 6. This angle is less than pi by 6. It means theta is less than pi by 6. Here theta is less than pi by 6. Now applying cos both sides. Cos theta. What is graph of cos theta? Decreasing or increasing? 0 pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus pi here plus pi. Here this one is acute angle. Here graph of cos is decreasing or increasing? Graph of cos is decreasing. The graph of cos is decreasing. Now taking cos theta both sides. Now cos theta is less than becomes greater than because of decreasing graph. So మన గ్రాఫ్ అనేది డిక్రీజింగ్ అనుకోండి, కాస్ థీటా తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది, లెస్ దెన్ బికమ్స్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్. అది ఇంక్రీజింగ్ సైన్ థీటా తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఇన్ కేసు ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి మనము, సైన్ థీటా తీసుకున్నాం. సపోజ్ ఇంకేదైనా ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంది అనుకో, సైన్ థీటా తీసుకుంటే సైన్ థీటా లెస్ దెన్ సైన్ పై బై 6 వస్తుంది ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అయితే. డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అయితే ఏమొస్తుంది, లెస్ దెన్ బికమ్స్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ బికమ్స్ లెస్ దెన్. ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీ విల్ బి చేంజ్. సో కాస్ థీటా గ్రేటర్ దెన్ కాస్ pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Cos theta, what is cos theta? X by square root of 53 plus x square. So cross multiplication. X into x greater than root 3 by 2 into square root of 53 plus x square. Root 3 by 2, 52 plus x square. Or simply x by square root of 53 plus x square Root 3 by 2 will take left hand side, minus root 3 by 2 greater than 0. It is a better one. Taking LCM. What is LCM? 2. 2 times of square root of 53 minus x square. Now 2x minus root 3 times of square root of 53 plus x square greater than 0. It is more than 0. Your denominator always positive or less, it is square root of 53 plus x square, sorry. Your denominator is always positive or less than negative, it is always positive. This term is always positive. Now, just remove this term. 2x minus root 3 square root of 53 plus x square greater than 0. Now 2x greater than, will take right hand side, root 3 times of square root of 53 plus x square. Here 2x is a positive term. 2x is a positive because 2x minus root 3 times of this number greater than 0. అంటే large number నుంచి small number తీసుకునే greater than 0 వస్తుంది. 2x small number అనుకోండి. 2x small number అయితే ఏమవుతుందండి? Small number minus big number negative వస్తుంది. Definitely 2x is greater than this number. So 2x always positive. Square on both sides. 4x square greater than 3 times of 53 plus x square. Now 4x square greater than 159 plus 3x square. Now x square greater than 159. Now x square minus square root of 159 whole square greater than 0. So a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now x minus square root of 159 into x plus square root of 159 greater than 0. Now number line. Yeah, this one is x equals to minus square root of 159. Another root is square root of 159. Plus infinity minus infinity. Axiom rate always positive, negative, positive. Yeah, this number is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means create చేస్తున్నానండి most space. Here x belongs to minus infinity to minus square root of 159 union square root of 159 to infinity. A positive one, greater than 0 means positive terms. So finally, first here x equals to 0, minus infinity plus infinity. Here x is 0, next x is 1 by 2. Now x is minus square root of 159. Here x is square root of 159. Okay. First case x belongs to 0 and half. This is case 1. 0 and half between these two. Let's see here x belongs to minus infinity to square root of minus square root of 159. Next union square root of 159 to plus infinity. Here there is no common. There is no common. This one is minus infinity to square root of 159. Here x belongs to 0 to 1 by 2. Here x belongs to square root of 159 to infinity. There is no common thing. So x belongs to pi. Which one is the right option? Pi. X belongs to pi. Fourth one is the right answer. I hope you are understanding. Common, no common. This one equation 1. This one is equation 2. So here no common 1 and 2. Well, first equation, second equation is the common level. So x belongs to pi. Okay, video లో ఈ పార్ట్ కవర్ కాలేదండి. This one I will write here. Here x belongs to here x. This one is, this figure is greater than 0. It means we have to choose a positive area. What positive area? Minus infinity to minus square root of 159 union here square root of 159 to plus infinity. This is x belongs to this one. So this is the equation 2. What is common area? This one. There is no common 1 and 2. 1 and 2 రెండింటి చూస్తే కామన్ లేదు. కామన్ లేకపోతే ఏం చేస్తాం? It belongs to pi. Pi is the answer. So